You're with News 5 tonight. Minister of State for Finance Josephine Teo has urged more public agencies to make better use of internal audit to strengthen their governance. She was speaking at the inaugural Public Sector Internal Audit Conference.
The Institute of Internal Auditors Singapore says, as Singapore's economy grows, government's revenue and expenditure budgets have also gone up. The figure climbed to over $100 billion last year. Each public sector internal auditor is essentially responsible for about $250 million, and so auditors have been urged to ensure effective use of resources. Mrs. Teo cited an example where changes have been made in the tracking of expiry dates of procurement contracts.
This tracking used to be done manually in one particular ministry, and although rare, there were still occasions where the contracts had lapsed, and without a formal contract, the government's interest could be compromised should the service provider fail to deliver the required services or if there was a dispute.
Mrs. Teo says the ministry's internal audit unit subsequently implemented an e-tracking system where users are alerted to contract expiry dates automatically. Some experts say Singapore's public sector procurement controls are sound, but there's still room for improvement.
There are staff who do not really appreciate the reason why the rules exist, so they just forgot about the rules. There's another group of staff who, because of operational efficiency or zealousness, they're trying to beat deadlines and meet deadlines, they would cut corners.
So they say more internal audit units should undergo a quality assurance review by an independent party to strengthen their own processes.